Shana Tova. In honor of the Israelite New Year, I'm dressed all spiffy and am officially releasing my website, www.davidsdirectory.com. The website is a directory, my directory, of some topics of which I have some interest, knowledge, and or expertise. To see how to use the website, as well as what makes it special, let's take a quick tour. On the homepage, to which you can return at any time by clicking on the directory, scroll down to see an alphabetical list of the topics. You can also hover here to see a drop-down list of the topics. Clicking on a topic takes you to a page with relevant resources such as my videos and books, research articles, websites, etc. What sets this website apart from others is that I get no commission for recommendations. If you click on a link for a book, summit, etc., you get taken to the site for that item without the tracking code that tells the merchant to give a cut of the payment to the referrer, as some other websites do. When there is a commission, there is a conflict of interest, and the buyer cannot know if the recommendation is done because the item is worthwhile or because there is profit involved. At www.davidsdirectory.com, know that I have you and not profit in mind. In instances of potential bias, I state it, such as here, when the linked site belongs to a friend. The main conflict of interest is that the services in the Services tab are my own. While there is profit involved for these services, I also recommend myself because I think I do a good job. Still, to minimize conflict of interest further, I try to encourage people to shy away from my services and do things on their own or with their friends, unless they cannot. It's also worth mentioning that I only recommend books that I have read. One last tab I want to mention is the Contact tab. Click and scroll to the bottom to send questions and comments to me, which I hope to be able to continue to answer personally. And so you don't get blasted with emails, by clicking here, you can indicate how many times a year you'd like me to email you, even if it's just a yearly update of modifications to the website.